too often. The first is a military occupation that is permanent, everything but name. The second is some sort of international peacekeeping force, like the one on the border between Egypt and Israel, the MFO, the International Force of Observers. Now, the MFO is not a United Nations organization. Honestly, that's probably why it works so well. You have countries like Albania and
Right,
New
let's
Zealand
do.
and the MFO. These are countries with no real political agenda regarding the Middle East. So if we can find an allied country, this might be a good strategy for some sort of multinational security coalition. This is why American policy matters. Retreating into isolationism doesn't create peace, creates a vacuum for countries like Iran and China to fill. Now, this only works if we show up, or else ammunition is just going to start crossing borders in the dark again. Now, but I said before, I see Palestinians as a people first. I've worked in the region. I've learned Arabic poorly. Look, the Gazans have lived under Hamas's iron grip since 2007. And some Palestinians see that rule as illegitimate. Some of these dudes want to lead normal lives, schools that open, water that runs, a government that doesn't stash rockets next to the generator. And that's why any kind of endgame requires Hamas to step aside or be pushed aside so a provisional authority, a viceroy, or a multinational force can function within a framework that accepts Israel's existence and audits the aid. One more thing. There's still 20 or so living hostages in Gaza. Yes, I've called them prisoners before, but I said that because if you can't freely leave someplace, you're a prisoner, right? Yeah, they are hostages. They matter in every single tactical and political decision. I don't have an answer for the hostages, not from a realistic standpoint. Most of them are not likely to survive this final push. My biggest fear is that as the noose tightens around Hamas's neck, criminal gangs or other terrorist organizations like Islamic Jihad will start a war for the few prisoners who remain. Because every hostage is a golden ticket. It's a get out of jail free card. You get less jail. I can see various gangs fighting each other over these final hostages who remain, and the people who are going to suffer the hostage. But to end this on a positive note, the good news is that whenever you move a hostage, that requires coordination, and any kind of coordination will run the risk of being intercepted by intelligence. And that means the IDF may be able to launch rescue operations if hostages at least within a safe window. And that's